Wait, traders, look at this. Look at this. Theta Network, oh man, it's jumped 44% in the last 30 days. It's sitting there at about $0.21, and it's like I almost forgot to check it, and then boom, there it is, totally alive, totally ticking, just like that old watch I thought I lost. And with that crazy strong trading volume in the last 24 hours, the big question, the big one, is this the start of a real pump, or is it, one of those sneaky traps that pops out when you least expect it? I mean, I'm staring at it like, is this real? Is this happening? I just shared my full price prediction, support levels, targets, the whole deal over on Patreon. And if you're curious, seriously, go check it out. The tester plan is just $10. It's like this simple little way to see if it fits your whole trading vibe. Link in the description, right down there. Just look for it. And hey, as always, do your own research. This is not financial advice.